94% of companies are deploying AI right now. Today, this week, McKinsey data from T4. The replacement has already started. Goldman Sachs estimates 300 million jobs lost to automation by 2026. Not theoretical, not future. That is 18 months away. ChatGPT replaced 4,400 customer service roles at IBM last quarter alone. Your job might be next. We identified the 5 tools doing the damage. Number 1. Claude 3.5 is writing code faster than 47,000 junior developers combined. Companies are firing teams, promoting Claude instead. Number 2. Adobe Firefly generates marketing assets in 8 seconds. Creative agencies cutting staff by 60%. Their entire design teams are gone. Next threat hits your paycheck directly. If you work in finance, accounting, or data entry, UiPath just automated what 12 people used to do. 1 robot, 1 workflow, 12 paychecks eliminated. This is happening in your city, at your company, right now. Subscribe today. Join 200,000 people staying ahead of this wave. Your job is changing. Your skills are becoming obsolete. But knowledge keeps you safe. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input. Every day.